Here is how to locate all the devices which are connected right now to your Steam account, how to deauthorize them, and how to sign out everywhere from all the devices. So that being said, let's see how can we do this. In the top right hand corner of the screen you locate your name, just press on it, and now you will have to press on account details, and once this page pops up you'll have to select on the left side, you locate a menu, select security and devices. And now, if you scroll down, you can locate authorized devices. This section lists the PCs, mobile devices, and the web browsers where your account has recently been signed in. And down below, you locate all the connections and all the devices. And if you see something suspicious, I will highly recommend to change your password right away. But down below, you'll find sign out everywhere. And if you press on this button, all the devices to which you are connected right now, including your mobile phone, a web browser connection, or including the Steam launcher which I have open right now, will be disconnected. Alright, so you have to keep that in mind if you press on sign out everywhere. And also when you try to log in back in, you will have to verify through either a code verification on your email address, or if you have the Steam authenticator, you will have to verify through that. Also, I will show you something else. If you press on Steam, now settings, you'll find here at security, deauthorize all the devices, sign out all the devices that you have used, including this one. And if you press on deauthorize devices, you will deauthorize all the devices which you authorized in the past. So I hope this tutorial helped you out to see who is connected to your account and what devices are connected to your account, and as well how to sign out all the devices and also how to deauthorize the devices which are connected to your account. Thanks for watching and bye bye.